In today's video, we are going to look at some vocabularies and phrases related to sleep. Welcome back to Nicole Chinese Mandarin. If this is your first time here, I'm Nicole. This channel is dedicated to help you learn Chinese easier and quicker. So if you're a Chinese learner, then this is for you. So don't forget to subscribe me, then you will never miss the future Chinese learning content. The first one, 醒 is a verb, means wake up. Another phrase similar to 醒 is 睁开眼睛, open eyes. Slightly different is when you 睁开眼睛, you may be still in the sleep. And when you 醒, you're totally wake up. Next one, 起床. This is a vocabulary but contains a verb and a noun. 起 up, 床 a noun, bed, your bed. 起床 means up off the bed, so get up. 醒 maybe you still on the bed. 起床 is you leave your bed. An example. 我今天其实6点就醒了，但是又睡了一会儿，8点才起床。When you don't want to get up in the morning after waking up, and you want to continue to lie in the bed, then this one will be 赖床. 赖 is also a verb, means you don't want to do something which you should do. So 赖床 is you stay in the bed, but you should get up. 睡懒觉 觉 is a sleep. 睡 is a verb for sleep. 睡懒觉 懒 is an adjective. It's lazy. You can notice the characters are really similar as the 赖. So 睡懒觉 sleep lazy sleep. An example. 别赖床了，快起床，周末不要总是睡懒觉，多出去走走。And these two vocabularies are slightly different. 赖床 refers to being awake but not wanting to get out of bed. If you were ever tried to get up in a cold room without heating during winter, you might understand what I mean. On the other hand, 睡懒觉 means actually sleeping, implying that you are still asleep. Next one is a totally noun. 闹钟 alarm clock. 钟 itself also means clock, and the difference is 闹. 闹 has the meaning of noisy or bustling. 钟 clock. 闹钟 which means a really noisy clock, and they have a duty on wake you up in the morning. Phrases related to 闹钟 定闹钟闹钟响了闹钟没响 We have different types of 钟挂钟大本钟 Big Ben clock 叫 someone 起床 Call someone get up. So wake someone up. Example, 我妈妈每天7点叫我起床。再睡一会儿。再 has the meaning of more. More sleep a while. So it has the meaning of sleep a little bit longer. 自然醒。自然 nature, naturally. 醒 wake up. Wake up naturally. 我的梦想是每天睡到自然醒。没有闹钟，没有老妈的喋喋不休。Next two phrases also quite similar. By the way, if you enjoyed this video so far, I would love it if you can give me a thumb up. This is really helps me. 起晚了 get up late. And 睡过了 they all have the meaning of get up late. However, 睡过了 implies not only wake up late but also missing something important afterwards. For example, 我今天起晚了，所以没吃早饭。没吃早饭 this is a result of you get up late. It's not a big deal if you don't have breakfast. But next one, 我今天睡过了。This sentence generally happened when you arrive the meeting, arrive the office late, or you missed your test, your meeting. You can say 我今天睡过了。Next, a couple of phrases are all related to nap. 午睡午中午 noon. So 午睡 noon nap. 打盹儿 doze off. 眯一会儿 has the meaning of really short nap. When you slightly close eyes, that's action be called 眯, which means only slightly close eyes for a while, so really short nap. And then, most common one, go to sleep, 睡觉. And a similar one, 上床. At the beginning, we learned 起床 is leave your bed, get up. And this one, 上床, on your bed, get on your bed. 上床 is actually an action, get on the bed. Example, 我每天10点睡觉. Or you also can say, 我每天10点上床. 他在睡觉. He is sleeping. But this one you can't say, 他在上床. 睡着 means fall asleep. And the negative form will be 睡不着, couldn't fall asleep. And if you couldn't fall asleep, we also can say 失眠. 失 it itself as verb has the meaning of lost something. So you lost your sleep, 失眠, couldn't sleep. And 眠 is a really traditional way to say sleep. Nowadays, we wouldn't use 眠 singularly, but you will find 眠 in some sleep-related vocabularies, like this one, 失眠. And slightly different as 失眠症. 症 has the meaning of a disease. So if you're suffering insomnia, that one is 失眠症. 他昨天10点就上床了，但一直到12点才睡着。我最近压力太大，总是失眠。Next one, 躺着 lying down, and 翻身 turn over. If you couldn't sleep, maybe you will toss and turn. That one is 翻来覆去。我昨天9点就上床了，但是一直翻来覆去睡不着，所以躺着玩手机。最后差不多4点，天都亮了，我才睡着。Next couple of phrases, most of them maybe not a good action. The first one, 做梦 making dream, so dreaming. And the different types of 梦 美梦 beautiful dream, sweet dream. 噩梦 bad dream, so nightmare. 做白日梦 daydreaming. Next one, 说梦话 talk, dream, speak. So dream talk, talk in sleep. 你昨天说梦话了。啊？我说什么了？你说你要去瓦肯达。Next one, 梦游 dream, swim. Because when you sleepwalk, actually you're not really walk. So 梦游. Then 磨牙流口水打呼噜. I put them together, give you an example. I hope you wouldn't make this situation. 我老公每天睡着后都打呼噜、磨牙、流口水、放屁，我根本没法睡觉。Next one happens generally for kids. 鹏鹏，你记得吗？你到7岁了还在尿床呢。妈，别跟我朋友们说这些。抽筋，我运动完睡觉总是会抽筋。落枕，我昨天落枕了，现在脖子疼得要死。落 has the meaning of drop off from somewhere. So you can image your head drop off the pillow. So 落枕。睡饱了 sleep enough, slept enough. 睡得好 or 睡得不好。睡得怎么样？我睡得超级好，家里的床太舒服了，终于睡饱了。当然睡饱了，现在都下午2点了。Next one is an adjective, 困。When you feel sleepy, that is 困。So the negative form can be 不困。If you extremely 困 If you're extremely sleepy, you can say 困死了。The last one, 熬夜。熬 is a verb, has the meaning of a slowly cook something, slowly boil something. So you boil the night, you slowly boil the night, staying up late. 我今天要熬夜写论文。经常熬夜对身体不好，我尽量每天早睡早起。 In Chinese, we always say do something good for health, bad for health, good for some part of your body like eyes or heart, good for your lung. If you want to learn more about this structure, please check out this video. Okay, hoping today's video is helpful for you. I will see you in next video soon. Bye bye.